In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable TradingView on Tradovate. We'll walk through the process step by step so you can connect TradingView to your Tradovate account and start using those familiar TradingView charts inside the Tradovate platform. Even if you're new to Tradovate, don't worry, I'll keep everything simple and easy to follow. First, open your web browser and go to the Tradovate trading platform. You can do this by entering the main Tradovate trader URL in your address bar and logging into your account as you normally would. Make sure you're on the main trading interface, not just the marketing site. If you're not logged in yet, take a moment to enter your credentials and wait for the trading workspace to load. Once you're in the platform, look toward the upper right corner of the screen. You'll see an option for application settings. This is usually represented by a gear icon or a label that says settings. Go ahead and click on that. The application settings area is where you manage how your platform behaves, including any extra tools or services you want to use. After the settings menu opens, look for a section labeled Add-ons. This is where Tradovate lists additional features and integrations that you can enable for your account. Click on Add-ons to open that section. It might be organized in tabs or as a list you can scroll through, so take a second to locate it carefully. If you don't see it right away, make sure you're in the correct part of the settings and not just adjusting chart preferences or layout options. Inside the add-on section, you'll find a list of available integrations and tools, and among them, you should see TradingView. This is the option that allows you to use TradingView charting within Tradovate. When you spot the TradingView option, you'll notice a button or link next to it that says Buy. Click on that Buy button. When you click Buy, Tradovate will usually show you details about the TradingView add-on, such as pricing, terms, and what's included. Take a moment to review this information so you know exactly what you're enabling. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm your choice. Depending on your account, you may need to agree to terms or confirm any subscription details. Once you've completed that process, TradingView support will be enabled on your Tradovate